In this tutorial, you'll learn how to implement your brand colors in the Castello theme. To get started, open the Customize page and then the Theme Settings panel. In the General Options panel, choose a starting color palette, light or dark. After changing the color palette, please reload your page in order for the default colors to be updated in the customizer. Now you can open the Theme Colors panel. Here you can change most of the colors used in the theme. As an example, let's start with a light color palette and then make some changes. The Theme Colors panel is supposed to handle basic changes. If you'd like to make extensive changes to the theme, a more efficient way is to write custom CSS code. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking on the Publish button. If all this sounds too difficult, you might be interested in our special professional setup package. You can visit our pricing page for information about our pricing plans and special packages. Please contact our support team if you have any questions.